And here it is. Over at Universal Studios Orlando, there is a thing called a Twisted Tater during Halloween Horror Nights, and I'm really craving one, so I'm gonna try to make it, and I'll bring you guys along with me and see if we can make one together. So let's go do it. So what you're gonna need is a potato, a skewer. I have a metal one. You can't really see it on the counter, but it's a metal skewer, some paprika, Parmesan, black pepper, and some salt. You can do it however you want. You don't have to use these certain ingredients. You're also going to use some melted butter to put on the potato after you put it on the skewer and slice it. So after trial and error, because this is the first time I've ever done this, basically I suck at doing the spiral and then turning and then turning. I suck at that, I guess, because mine turned out terrible and it just kept falling apart. So I use the viral method where you use some chopsticks and you cut it straight, and then you flip it over and you cut it diagonal, and then like this, and then it comes out really cool. And then before I spread it out, I just stuck the skewer in there, and then it turned out like this. Ta-da! Magic! Next, you're going to preheat your oven for 350 degrees, or you can deep fry it if you feel like that, which it goes faster. Once you have your melted butter, you're going to want to brush it on top of your potato. After that is done, you're going to want to season your potato however you want. So I'm gonna add some paprika, some Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper that I can't really do because I'm holding the camera. Now that we have it all seasoned up how we like it, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. Bye-bye. And here it is. Oh, this looks so good. I took it off the metal skewer because I didn't want to burn my hand off while I was trying to eat it. So let's get into it. See how this twisted tater tastes. It smells delightful. Now let's try it. It's so good. Yes. It's so good. I'm like gonna make these every night for dinner. They're so easy. So I'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye.